Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the chicken I've got from Woolworths yesterday. This is called roast chicken. They call it a roast chicken. I've tried this before, but the problem with this thing is it's very bland for our taste. Like we Indians and Pakistanis, if we have this thing, it's really bland for us. So what I've decided to tweak the recipe a bit, put some spices onto it, and then let's see how we go. So first of all, what I'm going to do is I'm not going to open this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make the marinade first, because then if I get my hands dirty by cutting the chicken, I don't have to touch the camera or anything else. So let's make the marinade first. So for the marinade, I'm going to start with the dry ingredients first. 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, half a tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, almost quarter of a tablespoon of turmeric powder. You don't want to use much turmeric because then it will get bitter. Half a tablespoon of coriander powder, half a tablespoon of cumin powder, salt to taste, only 1 cap of vinegar. I've just measured this 1 cap of the vinegar bottle. This 1 cap is equals to 2 teaspoons, and some oil. Now I'm going to mix it well. You can use your hands, fingers, whatever you want. I'll probably be using my fingers later on when I am going to marinate the chicken. But for now, let's do it this way. That's a good consistency. That's the consistency you want. That is what we are looking for. Put this aside. I'm going to bring the chicken back in, and what I'm going to do is I am going to untie the legs of the chicken first. I still don't know why do they tie the legs. Maybe it opens during the heating process when they're roasting it, or they think that the chicken will run away if they don't tie the legs. I don't know what's happening there. But yep, let's untie the legs first. No, probably the chicken will run away the way they've done it. I'm going to cut the chicken into small pieces. There's no stuffing in there. I thought there was stuffing. There's literally no stuffing in there. It's okay. I don't like stuffing anyways. There are 2 ways to marinate the chicken. What I usually prefer is this way. So what I do is get a lemon or a lime, whatever you like. Put the spice all over it and then rub it thoroughly in your chicken. This way you don't only get your spices onto your chicken, you also get your lime and lemon juice in it. Whatever you're using, whatever you're comfortable with. Pick up the skin, go underneath the skin as well. If you like, you can tear some part of the chicken and put the spices in there with your hands or fingers. That's one done. This is how your chicken should look like after 3-4 good minutes of marination. Now, if you want, you can leave this in the fridge for 10-15 minutes. I personally don't want that because the chicken is already cooked, and whatever the marination is, that's the only thing that I want to fry on the chicken. So what I'm going to do is I've already preheated my oven at 180. You don't want to go more than 180 because you're just frying the spices now, not the chicken. Chicken is already done. 180 for the oven. Put it in for 10-15 good minutes, but keep an eye on the chicken and the spices. After 10-15 minutes, I'll show you how this looks like. Guys, I've just taken the chicken out of the oven, and this is what you get after 20 minutes. See all the spices and stuff? It's beautiful. Yum yum. Let me try. This is yummy. The lemon has worked its magic, and also you can see it inside as well. The marination has been done so well. You can see it's gone inside also. Please subscribe to my channel and let me know if you like this recipe. Try this recipe over Christmas with your friends and family. Instead of making a bland roast chicken for them, try this thing and see how it goes, and write to me in the comment below how you guys went with it. Have a good day. See ya. Bye.